Well folks, it's official, Platypod's gone full MacGyver on us. Meet the Super Adapter Survival Kit. A tiny box that somehow solves every mounting problem you've ever had, and a few you didn't even know existed. My name is Nuts, and you're watching Platypod TV, brought to you by Platypod, where innovation never sleeps. And trust me, whoever designed this thing definitely skipped a few naps. So what's in the box? The heart of the kit, the Super Adapter Core, is a 1.5-inch multi-threaded hub with a cold shoe base, microphone threads, and a central spigot adapter. Add in 2 oversized flywheel nuts. Not only do they look cool, they double as wrenches. That's right, the arms aren't just for show. They let you tighten or loosen spigots faster than you can say, "Where did I put my monkey wrench?" The Super Adapter Survival Kit is basically your on-the-go toolbox. Mount lights, microphones, monitors, or even your phone with a Platypod Mac grip or tab. Want a light on top of your camera? Well, that's easy. And if you're a gaffer or grip, you'll probably find new uses I haven't even thought of yet. Just don't tell me, it'll make me look uncreative. Between the bushing adapter, cross nut, cold shoe clamp, and spigot adapter, you can mix and match until your rig looks like a small space station. It's the kit you didn't know you needed until now. So there you have it, the Platypod Super Adapter Survival Kit. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, or that person who just loves tightening things for fun, once you've got it, you won't be able to live without it. I'm Nuts, and as always, stay creative, stay curious, and get yours now at platypod.com.